If you're a beginner and you're interested in making money with CPA marketing, then you actually need to try this trick out right here, as this is going to be a beginner friendly strategy and also 100% free one right now. And this is absolutely for people that are just starting with CPA marketing. Now, if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is a kind of affiliate marketing where you just simply direct people to go on to completing simple tasks right there, such as installing an application, submitting their phone numbers or email address or credit card details while going through a survey, and you're going to get paid some cool affiliate commission for directing people to do so. In this kind of affiliate marketing, you don't actually need to convince people to purchase products. You just need to direct them to do simple tasks such as that. And guys, there are a lot of CPA marketing platforms out there like the Max Bounty right now, the Offer Vault, you can see CPA Lead, and also CPA Grape right now. They are quite numerous right here that you can just simply go on to grabbing hold of. Now you can just simply click on the register icon if you want to create an account, be brought to a page similar to this, and basically fill out all the fields with the red asterisk sign as you can see right now, as that indicates the required field you must go on to filling out before an account can be created on a platform such as this. You can also go on to agreeing to the terms of service by checking these boxes out right now before registering for an account. But before we go on further into the video right now, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on a lot of ways to make money online right there. And if you like such kind of content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right now. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I do release videos to help you go on to boosting your income online. So with that being said, let's dive right ahead into the video right now. So once you've actually created your account right now on the platform called CPA Grip, you can go on to logging into your account. So once you're logged into your account, guys, I would like you to come onto this page right here, and to get onto this page you want to just simply click on the offer tools option, select my offers from the drop down list that will be shown to you, and you will be brought to a page similar to this. You can filter offers to get offers from any country of your choice, but I'm focusing on the United States right now. Now if I'm actually focusing on the United States, I can actually scroll through or filter the offers based on payouts and actually select the kind of sweepstake offer. This is a cool one right now that actually gives my leads a chance to actually earn up to $4,500 cash right now. And all I need to do is to direct this particular link right now to promote that to people in the United States that are using Apple iOS devices, and also they just need to submit their email address or zip code while going through that simple survey using my unique affiliate link, and I'm going to get paid $1.02 for every person that actually completes that offer. That's how simple this actually is. All you need to do right now is just simply click on copy link. Now once you do copy the link right now, the next thing which you actually need to do is to create a simple landing page, and you can use platforms like Systemy.io right now to create a landing page. You could use platforms like Breezy.io or also Linktree right now. So guys, I'm not going to dive in too much or too deep onto how to create a landing page, because I have a lot of tutorial videos on my channel that easily shows you how to do that. Now to get access to such videos, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply go on to typing in landing page. And if you do type in landing page right now and actually click on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos right there that easily shows you how to create landing pages right now with a lot of cool sites right now. This one shows you how to make up to $500 a day with a landing page. This one shows you how to create a landing page with Systemy.io. This is with Google Sites. This is also with Systemy. This is with Breezy Cloud, and this is actually with Webflow. So you can check out all these videos and create simple and professional landing pages to promote your offers, as landing pages actually help you go on to getting a lot of cool traffic to your CPA marketing offers or better conversions to your offers. Now we're going to utilize a very free platform to drive traffic to our landing page right now, and that platform right here is none other than Twitter right now. So once you head on to Twitter, you want to come onto this explore section, and you can actually go on to seeing what is actually trending on Twitter right now. You can see a lot of things are actually trending on Twitter. You can see right now the Milan Fashion Week 2024 is also trending. You can also go on to taking notes and analyze the Twitter platform right now based on similar web statistics. And right here guys, you can actually go on to seeing that Twitter got about 6.3 billion visits in just the last 28 days right now. That's a huge amount of traffic which Twitter gets. And scrolling down to the bottom section right here to know which countries actually visit Twitter the most, you can see right here that about 23% of the website traffic, that is Twitter traffic, come from the United States, which is why I'm promoting the United States offers. You can see other compositions of the website traffic right there, but the most is actually United States. So once you do get that type of offer right now and head on to Twitter right here, all you actually need to do is just simply go to searching for people that are actually in need of money. So I can just simply come right here and type in I need money, and if I do come right here and type in I need money, and once I type in that and click on enter right now, it's going to just simply show me a lot of people typing such kinds of stuff right now, or searching for such kind of stuff. Now you want to just simply go into the latest to check out people that are actually in need of this quite now. You can see this person right here says, help me please, I need money, I lost my job and I'm waiting for your reply. You can also see people right here says, I can't see a covering, I feel like it would get dirty and need constant cleaning. So you can actually keep on scrolling through. You can see right now this person says, Nigeria's economy is crumbling, I need money to leave the country, help. And a lot of people are actually in need of money right now. So all you need to do is to target people coming from the United States right there to go to promoting that offer too. Now you can see this person right here that is actually from Nigeria. Maybe you can go back to your CPA marketing platform, get a Nigerian offer and promote that to that person right there. Now they do stand a chance of earning that particular price after completing the offer, and you're going to get some cool commission right there. So you just need to go on to drafting out a very cool call to action to promote that offer, telling them that if you're in need of money, check this out right there. With this, you can actually stand the chance of earning this specific amount right there. So you just simply promote that with your unique affiliate link to your CPA marketing offer or your landing page. Now keep on scrolling through and you can see a lot of people are actually in need of money. Just promote your offer to them. You can also go into creating a post right now. So make sure you do draft out a very cool and amazing eye-catchy post that can drag or get the attention of a lot of audience right now. And in actually putting that post right there, you also need to go on to add in some cool hashtags. Now for such hashtags guys, you can actually go into utilizing things that are actually trending right now for your hashtag. You can see right here, this is actually trending. Kimmich, Fermin, Eden Hazard, Mount, and some other cool stuff right here are actually trending. You can click on show more to actually see a lot of things that are actually trending right now on the platform. So once you actually do go on to put in all this cool stuff as your hashtags right there, those will actually be trending on such platforms. Once somebody clicks on those trends, they will be able to see your post right there among those trends right now, and that can easily get you to a lot more amount of audience. Now in some cases guys, you may actually need to go on to CPA marketing or a CPA marketing platform and go on to promoting multiple CPA marketing offers at the same time, and you can just simply create a landing page to promote that with any of these platforms which I actually showed you earlier. The easiest among this is with Linktree, as you can list multiple CPA marketing offers on a single Linktree page and utilize a single link to promote that particular offers. So you could just simply get offers from various countries, list that on your Linktree, and go on to promoting that right there with this particular platform called Twitter in the way I actually showed you. And you can actually start getting a lot of traffic right now, because the main thing with CPA marketing is getting traffic to your CPA offer. So with this, you can get lots and lots of cool traffic to your offers and start making a lot of money online. So guys, if you have any question, drop that in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the like button to the video, to subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.